Welcome to Car Wo. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and technologically advanced Ferraris ever built, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. If you're a fan of speed, innovation, and pure Italian engineering, you're in the right place. Let's start with the heart of the SF90, its powertrain. This beast is Ferrari's first ever plug-in hybrid supercar, combining a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with 3 electric motors. Together, they produce an astonishing 986 horsepower, 1000 PS, and 800 Newton-meters of torque, making it the most powerful production Ferrari to date. With this insane power, the SF90 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, in just 2.5 seconds. And if you keep your foot down, it can hit a top speed of 211 miles per hour, 340 kilometers per hour. Now, let's talk about technology. The SF90 features Ferrari's advanced ESSC, electric side-slip control, AWD system, and a state-of-the-art 8-speed dual-clutch transmission for lightning-fast gear changes. Plus, with its e-drive mode, you can even drive up to 25 kilometers, 15.5 miles, on pure electric power, a first for Ferrari. Inside, the SF90 is a perfect blend of luxury and race-inspired design. The fully digital cockpit, touch-sensitive controls, and the latest Ferrari human-machine interface, HMI, make sure you feel like a Formula One driver every time you sit behind the wheel. Now, let's talk price. If you want to own this masterpiece, you'll need around $524,000 for the base model. And with optional extras like carbon fiber components and custom interiors, the price can easily go beyond $600,000. So, what do you think of the Ferrari SF90? Is it the ultimate hybrid hypercar? Let me know in the comments. And if you love supercars, exclusive reviews, and in-depth details, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching Supercar in my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.